Hi, I'm Jack. I'm going to take you around this brand new Volkswagen.
This is the ID Buzz Life Pro, finished in a lovely candy white and bay leaf green. It features a 77 kilowatt battery producing 204 PS and giving you a range of up to 258 miles as well. You'll have peace of mind motoring with this vehicle with the manufacturer's 3-year warranty alongside 12 months roadside assistance. Just now for the front of the vehicle, you've got adaptive cruise controls, perfect for those motorway journeys. And you've also got these LED headlights providing fantastic vision in all conditions. Running down the side of the car, you've got these beautiful diamond cut alloy wheels that finish off the exterior perfectly, with power folding and heated wing mirrors as well as privacy guards from the B-pillar backwards. Got a huge amount of boot space available as well with split folding seats, so plenty of room there for any weekends away. You've also got the optionally fitted tow bar on this vehicle as well. You'll have ease of access also with the electric tailgate, which you can also open with the key fob. Just jump into the rear of the vehicle. You've got lovely pattern cloth seats with isofix points on the outer seats. There's also picnic tables on the back of the front seats as well. There's a little bit of storage just running down the centre as well there. At the front of the vehicle, you benefit from a leather wrapped multifunction steering wheel. You've got a couple of centre armrests there as well, again with a little further extra storage just running down the centre. Alongside digital radio and multiple media functions such as your Bluetooth, you've also got satellite navigation on board. It also shows charging stations as well. You also got the brilliant App Connect system on board, giving you Android Auto and Apple CarPlay, meaning you can mirror apps from your smartphone directly onto the screen, such as Google Maps, Waze, Spotify and many more. You've also got the ambient lighting pack available, it really does transform the interior at night. It's got loads of different colours to choose from, alongside these preset light themes as well. And as well as front and rear parking sensors, you've also got a rear view camera for peace of mind whilst parking. Got dual zone climate control as well, with heated front seats and also a heated steering wheel, so perfect for those cold winter mornings. You also got the latest safety systems on board as well to keep you and the family safe on the road at all times. There's also multiple driver modes available, including a sport setting for a more dynamic drive. A little bit further down the cabin, you've got a couple more USB ports with wireless charging there as well. You've got a couple of cup holders there as well.
This vehicle comes with 3 years warranty as well as 12 months roadside assistance. For any more information, please give us a call on 01270 864 452 or inquire online now.